This is my workspace. Isn't it nice? Okay, so I ended up having to buy a rivet gun. I probably never use it again in my life.
As nice as this is, it was the wrong tool.
So, let me go ahead and get started. The template's up from the other day because it was raining. Template. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to the world. See, that's the world. I'm talking to them. I'm not talking to you. And I told you 500 times don't jump up your computer. You don't listen. You're a dog and you're old. Do you think you're young? Don't. Alright, I'll go. This is the drill bit that they give you. It works. I don't know how this is supposed to drill in the metal, but okay. How is this supposed to drill into metal? I'll be here all fucking day. It's going like everywhere. Maybe you're supposed to use this after you drill a hole with my impact drill. How the fuck is this supposed to drill a hole in metal? Let's see if I... It won't be still. There's no fucking way. There's no way. There's no fucking way. Oh yeah, so I had to get my impact drill. The other drill is not strong enough. And I watched a video where a dude did it with just this. This is what they provide. I think he used an impact drill. I don't care. I went ahead and ordered some that are made for metal. So this was cheap, like $6. So I use this first to make the mini hole, and then this to make the big hole. Here we go. Let's see. This shit works. My drill always does this, and I made sure it was charged. This shit is so janky. I'm be pissed. See, I don't do this at home. I do this. Oh, it worked! I do this. Yay! I'm so excited. In like my parking yard where I pay, so it's several blocks from my house. Oh yeah, thank you. However many times it needs to take, it's okay. I have my other drill too. Good boy. You can do it. You're almost there. And you only have a couple left. Yes. I love it when shit works. I don't understand. Yeah. All right, 2 more. I'm not gonna be able to do this shit today. I'm gonna be mad. Let me see. Let me see if one of these dudes has an impact drill. Okay, so I borrowed one of the gents out here. So this is my regular drill. This is my impact drill, which is shitty. I don't see how many volts is this, but I'm familiar with this brand. This is only 18 volts. If this thing works, this is 20. That means mine is retarded. So this is the one I already pre-holed. This bit's shitty. Fucking 30 drills. It's ridiculous. Nope. It's bullshit. All we're doing is wasting airtime. I'll highlight you in a minute. Use a rivet nut gun with a 6mm chuck. Alright, let me drill some more. I'll be right back. I'll record it, I'll just speed it up. This thing is cake. So, we're good. There's one. Perfect. Two more.
That was the end of everything working smoothly.
Just to be equally something to eat. I'm about to pass out. Open. Just to be fair, I'm gonna take the one that's working, mine, and put theirs in there just to see if it.
I'm not quite sure how anybody used the bit that they provided, but it didn't work for me.
So, handy dandy step drill, or step bit. Step drill bit. This is what I use to put the doorknobs on too. So, I'm getting one of these. It's crooked. Sun is setting. I'm gonna learn how to use this, like put it together another day, because it looks like the one that's in there, the M6 is the one I'm supposed to use. Hopefully it is, because I don't have enough rivet thingies left. That's the one where the hole's not all the way. Let's try this one. This one, the hole's all the way in. Okay, so I did it. I don't really know what I did. You know, I'm a trial and error motherfucker. So I think it's in there. It's in there. Let's do another one. The very first one that I did, I think it fit. I don't know why they don't send you no extra ones. Okay, so the M6 was already loaded on here. I watched a little YouTube video, but I'm just still trial and error. It's screwed, so we screwed it. Then he opened it, put it in there, and he twisted it. So I think twist it tight. And then push it. Now this one actually pushed. The other one didn't. You open it, and you unscrew it. That's what this thing is. It's cool as hell. Is it in? Yeah, it's in. Now these two, the drill had died. I got like 30 minutes before this dark. So they didn't give me, well, they only give you 4. One of them I messed up. So I think I need to finish this whole. So I bought a box. It wasn't very expensive, all different sizes from Amazon. Oh, they're labeled. Very nice. I haven't even got to use the light that I put on here. I wish this would go up higher. Like if it, like on a Benz, it goes 90 degrees. I wish that did that. That would be so cool. I think it's my brakes. We go straight up. Please just work. I'm so tired. A little bit more. Oh, we're hiking. 3 miles. So I'm tired. I'm gonna go eat some ribs. Nobody mentioned I would go to 2 levels. This shit don't be easy as they show it on their little YouTube videos. You know, they be editing them shits. They must be like really editing them. Woo! I think it's gonna work. The other ones was mad easy. This is, oh shit. I think it's in the oh, Lord, thank you. Thank you. Yes. Thank you very much. Always gotta say thank you. Always. Even for the little things. Even when I'm frustrated and I get parking, thank you for everything. That's what other people should do too. If someone does something for you that they didn't have to, you should say thank you instead of not saying nothing. If someone lets you over, they ain't have to let you over. Just give them a wave. Yeah. Oh, cool. That goes there. I didn't know that. Yeah, I like this little smooth little thing. He gets good reviews. Very sturdy. Very handy. I've had this thing for like 2 months. It's not. Oh, I was about to say it doesn't line up. I was about to eat it. I don't know what that's for. I just bought so much stuff. I don't know. I just don't be knowing. Okay, so I was doing 5 projects at once. My backup camera, putting this thing up and all kind of stuff. So the screws, I lost 2 of them. Oh, I put this thing on. So I finally went to Home Depot and got new screws. Well, let's see. Those are the screws that come with it, those hex. And I took the size, and this is what they gave me. It's not perfect, but it's actually a lot. I'm not gonna put none on here, but it's a lot stronger than that little dinky screw. So it's finally done. Alrighty then, it looks beautiful. Woohoo!